Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. This replacement CBX1000 exhaust system is as accurate a replica of the Honda CBX exhaust system as we were able to produce. Delkevic have successfully made the appearance, performance and internal design as close to the original exhaust system as possible, with double-walled construction for the downpipes exactly matching the originals, and the system has been developed in close association with the UK CBX Owners Club. All collars, collets, clamps, brackets and heat shields are included. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. If so, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.